My people, una welcome. How una dey? My name na Kiki, and today na correct jollof rice we dey make. You see this jollof, if you chop am or your friend or your neighbor chop am, they go feel say na party you go. Better correct party bring this jollof rice come, because this jollof rice you never chop jollof rice wey sweet like this before. If you make this jollof e no sweet, come back tell me say, Kiki, I make this jollof e no sweet, I go give you your money back. So how I take dey make my jollof na say I go first boil the meat. To boil the meat, I dey use onions, ginger, garlic. I dey use small curry powder, thyme, then non seasoning cube. If you no get fresh thyme, you fit use dry thyme. Anyone wey you get na you go put inside. I no dey put any water first because I want make all this seasoning enter inside the chicken well well. So I go just turn am, I go cover am make e steam for low heat. I no dey use high heat because e dey quick burn. So I go leave am make e steam. After like 10 maybe 15 minutes, I go come put small water inside. I go come cover am again, allow am boil until e don cook. E no go finish cooking because we'll still fry the meat. So maybe like 15 minutes. If you dey use that hard chicken wey strong well well, you fit leave am for longer. After you don finish, you go comot the chicken, you go comot the water, separate the water from the chicken so you fit get your meat stock. When you don get your meat stock, you go put that one for one side. So after you don finish that one, you go come make the sauce of the jollof. For this one na tatashe you go need. Well, na bell pepper I dey use, but you fit use tatashe. If you dey use tatashe, make sure say you comot the seed and the vein for inside, because that thing dey bitter. If you use am like that, you no comot am, your jollof fit start to dey bitter. Nobody want chop food when dey bitter. So you go come cut all your ingredients, all the tomatoes. For pepper and atarodo you go use. I no dey use too much because I no like make my jollof dey very very hot. If you like food when the pepper well well, you fit put plenty. Na you come sabi. So you see this jollof sauce, na two different ways that they use to make am. If you get oven for house, you fit roast am. Me, I like garlic well well, so I dey put one garlic inside my jollof. I go put oil, make sure say you put thyme. If you no get fresh thyme, like I talk, use dry thyme. Put am for oven, allow am roast for like 30 to 40 minutes. Make sure say you dey check the thing from time to time, make e no burn. So after that 30 minutes, you go bring am come outside. You go carry am go blender. Put everything inside blender. That garlic when you roast, you go press everything when dey inside the garlic. You see this garlic, if you like garlic, e dey change your jollof, go sweet die. So if you know say you like garlic, try am this way. You go come back, come testify, say, Kiki, my jollof na one in town. Another way when they take dey make the jollof sauce, you go put everything inside blender. No need to roast am. Blend am until smooth. Me, I dey like to put my tomatoes first inside my blender, because then I no need to add too much water. You know say tomatoes get plenty water for body. So once you blend am like that, you go blend everything smooth. Then you go carry am go pot. Me, na the pot when I use to boil my meat, na I dey boil the tomatoes, because nobody get time to dey wash different pot up and down. So you go leave this thing, make it boil for about 40 minutes. Make all the water come out inside. No turn am, because if you put spoon inside, it go start to splash everywhere. It go start to scatter. So just leave am. After all the water don boil come out, you go comot am for fire. You go put am for one side. So the next thing wey we wan do na to fry the chicken. That chicken wey we boil before. So you go put oil for fire, make it hot. After it don hot, you go put the chicken inside. No to put many chicken, so that it go fry well. I like to put onions, because that onions, it dey give the chicken correct flavor. So if you want make your chicken sweet well well, put small onions inside. You go come fry the chicken until you don't get this color. Then you go comot the chicken, keep am somewhere, go hide the chicken somewhere. Make all those people with long throat no go dey pick am. Carry am go hide for somewhere. You fit carry one, because na you cook. They say na where man dey work, na im dey chop. That na why they dey call am work chop. So chop well. After you don go fry the chicken, you go comot some of the oil. Then you come fry onions. You go fry these onions, make it done well. I dey like plenty onions for my jollof because onions dey make am sweet well. When the onions don dey scent, you go come put your tin tomatoes inside. You go come fry am well. So now this na one mistake when people dey make when they do jollof. They no dey fry dis tin tomatoes. And you know say tin tomatoes dey slap if you get that harsh taste. So you get to fry am make it dry. This part you fit take up to like 20 minutes. Just make sure say you dey turn am make e no burn. How you go take know say the thing don ready? Na say e go change color. E go come dey dark brown, almost as if e wan dey black. You see the way e be for this video, na so you want make your tin tomatoes dey. So when the tin tomatoes don fry well, you come add the tomato base wey we make before. Na the roasted one when I dey use. You know that one when we put garlic inside, that one I dey use because that one I like pass. The other one I just show am make you see say na two different ways that they make am. So that one I go put am inside fridge. In the next time when I dey make jollof, I fit use am. So after you don add the tomato sauce, you go fry am small. No need to fry am too much. Then you go come put salt. You go put maggi or no, whichever one you like. You go put curry. You go put thyme. You go put bay leaf. Many people when they make jollof, they pack plenty bay leaf inside. Me, I no too like bay leaf. The thing too dey scent for my nose. So now only one or two. Sometimes I no even put at all. So cooking na wetin you like, then you dey do. So any spice when you know say you no like, no put am. If you don't like thyme, no put am. If you no like too much curry, no put. So after the thing don fry small, you go add that meat water when we make before. You go add am. Then you fit add small water. So you go mix everything, make it enter well. The remaining water, no add everything now because jollof rice we no need too much water to take cook am, make it no go too soft. Gonna make pete. So after you don mix am, you go cover am, allow am make it cook for like 5 to 10 minutes. So as it dey cook, you go wash your rice. So the rice when I dey use na long grain parboiled rice. Any brand you like, you fit use. You go wash am many times until you see say the water no dey white again. Me, na hot water I dey use to wash my rice. But after I don wash am with hot water, I go use cold water take wash am last so that the rice no go start to cook as e still dey sink. So for the rice brand, na this particular rice I dey use. So if you fit find this one, you go use am. Then if you want that rice when dey long basmati rice, then you fit use this one. You fit use this brand, anyone when you like, na you go use. After the rice don clean, you see say the water no too white again. You go put am for one side, comot all the water when dey inside, then you go put am for one side. You see this video, anything when you dey find when I no mention for this video, you go check my website. My website na kikifoodies.com. I write everything there. For there, you go fit find the full recipe, the type of pot when you go use, everything when go make your jollof the best jollof when anybody don taste for this life. I go put the link to the website for the comment section so you fit find out for there. So back to our jollof rice, you go open the pot, put the rice when you wash, put everything inside. Many people dey ask me say whether make they parboil their rice if they dey make jollof. Me, I no dey do that one no, because I know if you parboil the rice, the sauce no go enter inside well, because you know say this rice dey take like 30 minutes to cook. So that 30 minutes e no go enter inside the rice well, and e go come make the rice too soft. So for me, I no dey parboil my rice. Na so I take dey make my jollof. Na so they teach me how to make am. Na so I don dey make my jollof for more than how many years now, and people know say my jollof na one in town. So make we continue. So after you don put the rice inside, you go mix am. You see say jollof, they no dey use too much water inside. You see where the water dey for the rice, just small na im take high pass the rice. You dey see as e be, abi? Another thing when I wan mention na say, you see the way the color of the jollof be. As e be like this, na so e go take be when you cook the rice. So if at this stage you notice say your rice no red, na problem with dey, because as the color be like this, na so e go take be when the rice don done. Wetin you fit do, you fit quickly fry small tin tomatoes, add am put. Make sure say you fry the tin tomatoes well o. We no want make the rice dey taste raw tin tomatoes. You go come cover the rice with foil paper. This foil paper na im dey trap all the steam inside the rice, so the rice you no need too much water take cook am. You go cook this rice for like 30 to 40 minutes on like medium heat. If you want make your rice get that party flavor and taste, you go cook am for high heat. So after like 30 to 40 minutes, you go comot the foil. You see as the rice be. You see wetin I tell you na how the rice take be before you put am, na so the color go take be after you do am. Then you go come mix the rice, make everything come out. Some people dey like to add butter, onions and tomatoes. Me, I no like am. And if you put butter, the taste e dey get as e be for my mouth, so I no dey put am. But if you like that style, you fit put am. That one my hand no dey for inside. So you go mix everything. You see as the rice be fine. As I dey look this rice, e dey hungry me to chop. And na me cook am but e dey hungry me to chop again. One thing when I don remember to talk. So if you see say your rice at this stage e no be one like the way e take be for this video, e fit be say you don go by mistake put too much water. No worry. Just continue to dey mix am, leave the pot open, make all the steam still escape. Turn off the gas, make e no go overcook or overburn. Just leave the pot open. You go notice say maybe after like 10 minutes, the rice go come dey be one like this. And if you no wan do testing, trial by error jollof. No be say today the jollof go soft, tomorrow e no go soft. Today the jollof go sweet, tomorrow e no go sweet. I don put everything wey you need for this jollof, the exact measurement, e dey the comment section. Like I talk before, you fit check am for my blog kikifoodies.com. Another thing when I wan mention for this video na say the pot wey you take cook the jollof, e fit get as go take change the taste. If you want correct party style jollof, na this pot you go use. You fit also use a cast iron pot, stainless steel. This pot na caldero dem dey call am, dem dey come from Spain. Very nice to cook jollof. If you dey cook jollof, make sure say you stay from this kind of pot. This kind of pot very bad for party jollof. But if you wan cook normal jollof, then you fit use that one. So our jollof don ready. Any question when you get concerning this video, you fit leave am for comment section. Type am. I dey comment section. I dey reply anybody as long as I get time. I dey reply. You see as I take serve my jollof with correct soft dodo and chicken. Na so you go take chop your own. No jealous me or go cook your own. My people, we don cook finish but I get one extra video when I wan show una, and na how they take dey wash jollof pot after you don cook finish. I take dey do this one. I go first comot the remaining rice when dey inside. I go put that one for one side. Then I go come put baking soda. You fit see baking soda for supermarket or normal market. Put plenty of the baking soda, then you go come put water. I dey like to make the water dey like half of the pot so that it go boil, because sometimes the baking soda e dey foam, so you no wan make the thing boil come out. If you no get baking soda, you fit use the soap when they use to wash plate. You just put like 1 or 2 drop. You go put am for fire, you go cover am, allow the thing make it boil for like 10 minutes on low heat. After like 10 minutes, you go comot the cover. You go use your spoon take scrape the under. You go see say all the rice go dey comot from inside. You go leave am make e stay there for like 30 minutes or when you get time to wash the pot. Then you go carry am go your sink, throw away the remaining rice, put a filter for under make it catch the rice, make it no go block your sink. When you don finish that one, you go come use soap and water to wash the pot. You see as the pot clean, very easy to clean, very easy. So my people, now here we do reach. If you watch this video, you don't reach this side, put this comment for comment section, make I know say you watch the video finish. Una thank you well. No forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, like, share am with your family members, make they see how to make jollof. If you don't already subscribe to my channel, na correct person you be. Thank you. Now they give me joy for this YouTube. Okay, now I go see una for the next video. Una bye.